So this is the mitochondria, and the mitochondria has an outer membrane, an intermembrane space, which is the space between the inner and outer membranes, and then this inner membrane, also called the cristae. And then basically, this is the matrix, which is like the cytoplasm of the mitochondria. So in the matrix, the link reaction and Krebs cycle take place, and that produces NADH. And then that NADH gets oxidized by complex 1 and donates its electron. And then this is a proton pump, and then the electron gives it the power to pump this hydrogen out of the matrix and into the intermembrane space. So then this complex takes FADH2, which is also produced in the Krebs cycle, and then that gets oxidized to FAD plus, and then that electron gets transferred here, and then that electron gets transferred here, and this is another proton pump. So the electron gives it the power to pump the H pluses, both from the oxidation of the NADH and the oxidation of the FADH out into the intermembrane space. So then the electron goes to the fourth complex, which again is a proton pump, and then it pumps that hydrogen out into the intermembrane space.
And beside this complex, there stays the oxygen molecule, which is the final electron acceptor that pulls the electrons to move around in the ETC. And with electrons, oxygen, and hydrogen molecules, they make a waste product, which is water.
There's also an ATP synthase. And basically, the ATP synthase reaction gets coupled with the oxidation reaction of, and then that coupling is oxidative phosphorylation. So then on the outside, you have this electrochemical gradient with a lot of hydrogen ions on the outside, and then you have an ATP synthase, and then so the electrochemical gradient powers the ATP synthase, and then you have ADP, and then that gets phosphorylized into ATP, which is what you want. And then so basically the coupling of these reactions together, the oxidation and the phosphorylation, is called oxidative phosphorylation.
Because it used reduction of oxygen to generate high energy phosphate group to phosphorylize ATP.